In today's video, we'll show you how to create alerts on the DxTrade platform. After logging into the DxTrade platform, head over to the watch list. Select the instrument you want to create an alert for, then simply right-click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Create Alert. This will open a new window where you can set your alert conditions. Here you can choose the condition for your alert. If you want to change the instrument, use the search bar. You can also choose whether the alert should be based on the bid or ask price. Then, select whether you want the alert to trigger when the price goes above or below a certain level. Next, you can adjust the price here. Simply enter the price you want to set. If you wish to add an alert for another instrument, just click on the plus icon to set it up. You can also set an expiration date and time for your alert. If you want, you can add a description as well. Once everything is set up, just click Create, and your alert is ready to go. If your watch list is in tiles format, you can create alerts directly from the bell icon. Additionally, you can create price alerts for your open positions. Simply navigate to the Positions tab at the bottom of the platform, right-click on the trade you're interested in, and select Create Alert. Fill in the details as before, click Create, and your alert is set. To view your alerts, simply click on the plus icon here. You'll see a list of all the available columns. Just click on Alerts to add it. You can use the drop-down menu here to view all alerts or only active ones. And that's it. That's all about setting alerts on DxTrade. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.